Hello guys, I am Solkeche and this is my brand new Apache RTR 204V with Smart X Connect, and today I will show you that how to get Bluetooth parent key and use Smart X Connect feature. First of all, you have to download TVS Smart Connect app from Play Store. Actually, I already done it and signed up using my phone number. To add vehicle, click on Add Vehicle button, then enter your chassis number and click Verify button. After that, it shows a Smart X Connect mark under the vehicle logo. If it is not in there, then you have to remove the vehicle from settings and try to add the vehicle once more. There is a connect button, you have to press that. Click Scan Device button and get the option to enter Bluetooth pair key. And press and hold Mode button. When you see Set MPH mode, start pressing Mode button until you find Bluetooth pairing mode and press Set button to get your Bluetooth pairing key.